In this video, I'll show you how to make a new Telegram account. At first, just install Telegram in your phone, then just open it. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Just tap on start messaging, then tap on continue, then just tap on allow, then select your country, then type your number. After type the Telegram number, just tap on this done icon, then confirm your number and tap on yes, then tap on continue, then just tap on allow. Give it a moment. Now just select your email address. After type the email address, just tap on this arrow icon. Now you get a verification code on your email address. Now just type your verification code. Now you get another verification code from your phone number with SMS. And that's it. After enter the code, Telegram account is ready for use. So just allow Telegram to send your notification and it's done. Now Telegram is ready for use. And that is how you can make a new Telegram account in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.